This question is from Engineering Mathematics for 1 mark. The lengths of large stock of titanium rods follow a normal distribution with a mean mu of 440 mm and a standard deviation sigma of 1 mm. What is the percentage of rods whose lengths lie between 438 mm and 441 mm? For this multiple choice question, the correct answer is option A. Let us look at the solution. We are given with the mean mu is equal to 440 mm and the standard deviation sigma is equal to 1 mm. Let us define a random variable L which defines the lengths of the rod. Also for the normal distribution, let us define the standard variable that is defined in terms of the random variable L, mean mu and standard deviation sigma as Z is equal to L minus mu by sigma. Since we are supposed to calculate the percentage of rods whose lengths lie between 438 mm and 441 mm, let us calculate the value of standard variable when L is 438 mm and 441 mm so that we can get the range between which the standard variable Z is varying. Therefore, when L is equal to 438 mm, we get the standard variable Z as minus 2. Similarly, when L is equal to 441 mm, we get the standard variable as Z is equal to 1. Now, to mathematically represent the percentage of rods whose lengths are varying between 438 mm and 441 mm, we are writing it as probability of lengths of the rods which are varying between 438 and 441 mm. This can also be expressed in terms of standard variable, that is probability of standard variable lying between minus 2 and 1. And for this particular expression, we can split that as probability of standard variable lying between minus 2 and 0 plus probability of standard variable lying between 0 and 1. Now let us rewrite the last step once again. In order to solve this question, we need to remember a couple of standard values, that is probability of standard variable lying between minus 2 and 2 is generally 0.9545 and probability of standard variable lying between minus 1 and 1 is given as 0.6827. When you look at this, the above step, we can get an idea that the probability of standard variable in the first expression is between minus 2 and 0, which is exactly half of this range. That means we can write the first term as 0.9545 by 2. And similarly, the second term can also be written as 0.6827 by 2. Okay, so therefore we get the probability of standard variable which is ranging from minus 2 and 1 is 0.8185. So this particular expression is nothing but the percentage of rods whose lengths are varying between 438 and 441. So that is obtained as 81.85%.